Hey there, in the previous session, we learned about how to add the pipe dimensions in a Civil 3D in a dynamic way for the crossing pipes in Civil 3D sections. And also followed by that session, we learned about how to show those crossing pipe informations in the section band styles. Okay, that was a very easiest method, and in the different cases and different scenarios, it's quite difficult to show the crossing pipe informations in band details. Let's get into Civil 3D and learn about how we're gonna deal all those and what's the difference between the both methods. Okay. So in the previous session, I'm going to click into the drawing which I have used in the previous session. So I have a pipe network and also I have an alignment which exactly runs over the pipe alignment, which exactly runs over the pipe center line. And this is the section sample line, and this is what the section where you can see here. It's very easy because section line is exactly cutting the pipe and it's completely matching to the center line, so very easy to show the center line information in a section view. So same way in a different case of scenarios, the alignment will be somewhere else and the pipe will be parallelly running to the alignment. On that case, if you cut the section view, so if you get the sample line, if you get the section, our section will be exactly looks like this. So we can see here. So um, I have a crossing pipe here which is not on the center line or any of the equal distance or the minor or major distance, because it's completely different. So in this case, how to show the informations on a band style and how to show the cut and fill information. So for that, we should draw a proper way or correct way of a sample line. So what I mean to say the proper way or correct way of the sample line, if you see the sample line here, this got only two vertex point, so we should draw a vertex point, or we should add a vertex point exactly cut on the pipe center line. So I have a polyline here. I'm going to add an additional vertex point here, exactly on this pipe where it's going to crossing or cutting the sample line. So I'm going to convert this polyline into a section line. So I'm gonna use alignment. Oops, I'm gonna use this simple line, and I'm gonna use alignment here, and use convert the existing polyline to sample line. I'm gonna select this polyline, enter, enter. So I have a created sample line now. So I'm gonna select this sample line where you can see three vertices point here on the right hand side and left hand side, and exactly where our pipe is cutting. Okay, so if you cut the section for this, it's very easy to show the labels or ticks or any of the informations for the respective crossing pipes exactly on this vertex point. So I'm gonna generate a single cross section for this, create cross section view, and I'm gonna choose a sample line here. I'm gonna choose a section style, zero rise type 1, create section. I'm gonna draw a section view here. Oops, sorry, so I have chosen the wrong section style. I'm gonna choose another section style here, zero rise type 2, and I'm gonna add or create the section here. So I'm gonna take off this unwanted style, unwanted labels or notations here. I don't want to show this, so select similar and delete. Okay, so this is what our exactly a section looks like. So now we're gonna show all these crossing pipe information here. I'm not sure is this a correct section style, so let me select this section, go to Control 1, and then change this to type 1, type 2. Yeah, so we're on correct page. We're on the same page. So it's the correct one. So I'm gonna select this the section here, right click, section view properties. I'm gonna add another band here, the pipe top, add. I'm gonna bring this pipe top to next or before to the cover level. I'm gonna do some small settings here. So we can see the pipe top information here. So as I said, as I add the pipe top elevation, where you can see the information here. So I'm going to show you how that can be controlled, how that can be added here. So before that, I'm going to set the proper the data surface style or the data surface band here. Okay, I'm going to select this existing, and the data set is existing surface. I'm going to choose existing surface. For the FG, I'm going to choose FG surface, the proposed ground, formation ground. And for the pipe top, I'm gonna choose a crown surface. If you don't know how to create the crown surface or what is the advantage of creating crown surface, so please follow the previous session video. I'm gonna copy that link in this video description. So click on the clear cover, select the clear cover, and then change the section 1 type to FG and the second section to crown 2. Apply. Okay, as I set up, like OK, we can see the respective informations here. For the pipe top elevations, I could see one information here exactly 1097.190. How that appears exactly, I'm going to show you that now. I'm going to choose this proposed proposed band style. Right click and band style. So click on the band style, band details here. This option here, a sample line vertices. So go to compose label and then contents, add the content. If you have already add the content, make sure you turn on the label, you turn on the bulb for the same here on the display. So go to ticks at sample line vertex, turn on the bulb, the visible, and then go to the labels at vertex point, turn on. So apply. Okay, as I said apply, okay, I can see the proposed elevation exactly on this pipe cutting point. I'm going to select this section view properties and go to EG elevation, edit current selection. I have already added all the informations under sample line vertices. I'm going to click on display and turn on the vertex point here, apply, okay. Same thing I'm going to do with the clear cover. So go to the edit current selection style, turn on the sample line vertex, tick, and then the vertex label, apply, okay, okay, apply, okay. So that's how we can add informations for the crossing pipe. And now it's time for validation. So is these elevations are appropriately matching or exactly matching or not? How are we gonna do that? So I'm gonna go to annotate tab, pull down the nodes and change this to a section view here, and change this to offset elevation. Make sure this marker type none. I'm going to add a label here exactly on the pipe top. You can see the pipe top elevation is 1097.190. This is what the pipe top elevation exactly on the sample line where it is cutting. So how I can cross check that in another method? So I have also ran the alignment here, and also I have a profile view here. So I'm going to locate the profile view here, and I have alignment label style here which shows the station. So in this exact station we can see the elevation is 1097.190. So same way here, and also you can see we can also cross check or verify the elevation for the existing ground or proposed ground here. So how we're going to do that? I have a label style here, and then I have assigned the the reference text for the surface. So I'm going to change the surface to FG, where you can see 1102.309, 1102.309. Same way with the existing surface as well. We can see 1101.593 and 1101.593. So this is the very easiest way. And also I'm going to add the dimension for the same thing here. I'm going to click on this labels section view and grade. Select the section view and the first point and the second point exactly on this point. So you can see 5.119 foot a minimum. So this doesn't matter the minimum or maximum. So just ignore this wording here, minimum, so that there's no more required. So you can check the difference here, 5.119 and the 5.119. This is a very easiest method to show all the crossing pipe informations back on the section view band style. So this is the method. We can also use the same for the water pipes and also any other utility pipes, maybe not only for one pipe or single pipe or double pipe. So make sure wherever you have a multiple number of network running parallel to the alignment, just make sure you have additional vertex point where a pipe is exactly cutting on the sample line. So if you have that vertex points, just turn on and add the appropriate content, and then see all the information as you want. So that's about the session. Please subscribe on the channel, and then stay updates for latest and greatest Civil 3D tips and tricks, and then problem fix. Thank you.